In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove Snapchat hackers immediately. So let's just get straight into the video. So if you have the account access or if you don't have it, just simply go ahead and head into your Snapchat application. I'm just going to go ahead and log out real quick to stimulate that I don't have the access, for example. So once you're on this page, simply head into forgot password and immediately head to via phone or email and then change your password immediately, just like that. Once you've changed your password, what you want to do is simply go ahead and you're going to be already logged in. Just head into your profile, click on settings, click on my account, and head to two-factor authentication and turn that on immediately as well. Once you've done that, you should be fine. But just for an extra support, you can simply go ahead and report the problem to Snapchat support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.